Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing very well. And here in this session, we are going to explore the need of computer vision, why there is a requirement of computer vision, right? So, you know that because of the computer vision, it makes the computer understand the images and video. Or for example, this is an image. So, you know that what kind of this scene. So, because of the computer vision, uh, the computer will try to understand the type of scene and where are the cars in the scenes and how far is the building. So all such you can say that information, all such features to visualize, analyze by the machines, computer vision is in requirement. So the need of vision arises because machines need the ability to see, ability to understand and act on visual information, right? So you know that just as the human do. For example, trees are there, three cars are there, to this side, one this side, house is somewhat far away from this. So thing is that a very large portion of the real world data is visual, that is images and videos. And you know that without computer vision, this data remains unused. So here is a clear, you can say that explanation, which you have understood with the help of this picture, right? So that is one of the things. And you also know that few more applications here, that why it matters a lot for the safety point of view. You see here self-driving cars for health, right? MRI and scanning, CT scans, security, object detection, theft detection, fraud detection, comfort, fun, accesses, and much more. So you know that humans are good at vision, but we get tired. We made mistakes, right? We cannot monitor thousands of cameras or images continuously. So computer can work 24 into 7. Computer vision can work 24 into 7. Computer vision can work 24 into 7. It can process millions of images per second. It can process millions of images per second. And based on that, it can give, based on that processing, it can give the consistent results. So, for example, CCTV surveillance, you know that in airports and smart city are very crucial and critical applications of computer vision, and they clear the picture of why computer vision matters, right? Thereafter, explosion of the data. Today, you know that huge amount of data is generating in the form of images, medical scans, satellite images, so videos from traffic cameras as well, social medias, drones. So computer vision converts visual data into useful information. So examples are like analyzing the satellite images to detect the deforestation of the crop health, right? Automatic and efficiency as well. Many tasks require the visual inspections, right? So which is very slow, like slow, costly, and error prone when done manually. So computer vision make the automate visual task with high accuracy. For example, defect detection in the manufacturing or quality control in the assembly lines, right? That is why it matters a lot. Safety and risk reduction point of view, some environments are dangerous for humans, like military zones, like nuclear plants, like deep sea, like space exploration. So computer vision can enable the robots and drones perform visual tasks safely, and drones using computer vision to inspect the power lines, which is dangerous for the human, right? Medical and healthcare support. Doctors rely heavily on the visual data, X-rays, MRIs, CT scans, pathology slides. So computer vision assists the doctors in early disease detection, right? Reducing the diagnostic errors, speeding up the analysis process as well. So detecting tumors or diabetic retinopathy, or it could be any domain from images. That is why CV is very essential and matters a lot. Real-time decision making. Real-time decision making. Machine needs to make instant decision based on the what they see. Computer vision enable real-time perception. For example, autonomous vehicles detect the pedestrians, so immediately they have to take the action and stop. Face recognition for the access control. That is why computer vision matter a lot. So computer vision CV is bridging the gap between AI and the physical world, right? It is bridging the gap between artificial intelligence and physical world. So you know that AI system must understand the real world, and which is very largely visual. So computer vision allows AI to interact with the physical environment. Robots picking up the placing, picking and placing the objects using visual feedbacks, right? So that is the thing. It is also enhancing the human capabilities. Computer vision does not replace the human; it augment them. They augment them. Human plus computer vision is high accuracy and productivity, right? You can say that humans plus computer vision is high productivity, right? Or high accuracy, right? That is why it matters a lot. Now let's talk about the different field of applications include like character recognition, document processing, commercial like signature and seal verification or e-signatures, right? Applications, biometric and forensics, for example, authentication point of view, recognition and verification of person using face, palm and fingerprints, or for pose and gesture identification, automatic inspection of industrial products, industrial process monitoring, or biomedical engineering like diagnosis and surgery. For military surveillance point of view and target identification, navigation and mobility, remote sensing like using satellite imageries, GIS, safety and security, night vision, traffic monitoring, sports, VLDB, organization and retrieval, entertainment and virtual reality. These are the different fields of computer vision includes all these things, right? All these applications. And the targeted industrial applications of computer vision, the targeted industrial applications of the computer vision include like intelligent traffic control, anti-forging stamps, card counting systems, drive quality, test camera flame detection, CCTV, uh, that fog penetration, key image searching and index, security monitoring, robot shadow detection, vehicle segmentation, visual tracking system, illegal content, scratch detection, smart traffic monitoring vehicle wheel alignment, and many more like this. These all are the targeted industrial applications. Further, different categories of work being done in computer vision to solve the problems like 2D image analysis kind of thing, where segmentation, target detection, matching, CBIR are the things. Pattern recognition for objects and scenes, feature extractions like canny, GHT, snacks, DWT, corners, shift, gloss, lash, image and video based rendering, 3D multi-camera calibration, correspondence and stereo, reconstruct 3D objects and surfaces, video and motion analysis, video analytics, CBVR, compression, multi-sensors data, decision and feature fusion, right? Steganography and watermarking. So all these are the different categories of work which is being done in computer vision field, right? And various subcategories of this technology is also there, which is related to this field are like image enhancement, image restoration and filtering, representation and description, feature extraction, image segmentation, image matching, color image processing, image synthesis, image representation, image reconstruction, range data processing, stereo image processing, computational geometry, image morphology, artificial neural network, neurophysics techniques, and parallel architectures. These are also various subcategories of technologies in these fields. Right. So for this particular session, we can cap till here, and in the next lecture, we will discuss the concept of digital image representation and the next topic. I hope you are finding all the lectures of computer vision very much interactive, knowledgeful, and insightful. So do subscribe the channel, like the videos, and comment your thoughts on this. Thank you so much. Have a very nice day, guys. You